Stop. Take your hand off your neck. Seriously, if you're living like this, with this annoying pain here in your trapezius muscles, if every time you come home from work your head feels like it weighs a ton, this is a sign. Your neck isn't just tired, it's changing shape. You might have cervical rectification. And I know you've seen 1,000 exercises out there, but what I'm going to show you today is different. 6 years ago, I created an exercise with a pool noodle that became extremely famous, but science and practice evolve. And today, I'm going to tell you to stop using the pool noodle. Why? Because I discovered a much more precise, much more effective method that you can do with something you have at home right now, a simple towel. The key isn't just any exercise, it's taking the exact movement to the exact place, the lower cervical vertebrae. That's where the real problem of rectification lives. And for this, the towel is genius. It gives you the perfect support point that the pool noodle, being thicker and more rigid, can't provide. Place it here, apply force downward and forward, and let your head go back. The sensation is immediate. You'll feel the exact spot where your neck has lost its natural curve starting to open up again. This isn't just stretching, this is precise biomechanical correction, but I'm not going to stop there. Because if you really want to reverse this, you have to go beyond. The next technique is so powerful it seems almost magical. Simply letting your head hang backwards, 60 seconds. That's it. Gravity does the work of pulling and releasing all the tension you accumulated throughout the day looking at a screen. But here's what most people don't know, the position matters. You can't just throw your head back anywhere. You need to be on your bed with your shoulders at the edge so your head can truly decompress without any support. Feel that? That's years of compression being undone in just 1 minute. This is what we call passive extension. Your spine remembering what it's supposed to look like before gravity and bad posture took over. Now here's the thing that changes everything. It's not enough to do the exercise and then spend 8 hours with wrong posture. Small changes make an absurd difference. When you're on your phone, bring it to eye level. When you're working, imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. When you're driving, adjust your mirror so you have to sit up straight to see it properly. Your neck follows your eyes. If your eyes are always looking down at screens, your neck will follow. If you train your eyes to look straight ahead, your neck will naturally align. It's that simple, but it's that powerful. But let's go deeper, because what we're really talking about here isn't just neck pain. We're talking about your nervous system. Your brainstem sits right at the top of your neck. When your cervical spine is compressed and misaligned, it affects everything. Your sleep, your energy, your mood, even your digestion. This is why some people feel instantly better after these exercises. It's not just the muscles relaxing, it's your entire nervous system getting the space it needs to function properly. You might notice you sleep better tonight. You might notice your headaches disappear. You might even notice you feel more alert and focused. Here's another technique that takes this to the next level. It's called the chin tuck, but I want you to think of it differently. Instead of just pulling your chin back, imagine you're a turtle slowly pulling your head into your shell, but keeping your eyes looking straight ahead. Hold this for 10 seconds, then slowly extend your head back like you're looking at the stars. Do this 5 times and you'll have given your deep neck flexors, the muscles that support your cervical curve, a complete workout. These are the muscles that weaken when we spend all day looking down, and strengthening them is crucial for long-term correction. Now, I want to share something that might surprise you. The pain you feel in your neck often isn't coming from your neck at all. It's coming from your thoracic spine, your upper back. When your upper back rounds forward, it forces your neck to crane forward to keep your eyes level. So we need to address both. Here's a simple way to fix your upper back. Stand against a wall with your arms in a goalpost position. Press your arms back against the wall and hold for 30 seconds. Feel those muscles between your shoulder blades working? Those are the muscles that need to be strong to support proper neck alignment. The secret isn't suffering with pain forever. It's having the right tools to fix what your daily life breaks down, and understanding that your body is incredibly adaptable. The same way it adapted to poor posture, it can adapt back to good posture with the right intervention. Today you learned 3 powerful techniques. The towel method for precise cervical extension, the hanging head position for passive decompression, and the wall angels for upper back strengthening. Together, these take maybe 5 minutes of your day, but they can give you back years of comfortable living. Your body is designed to move and be pain-free. Modern life has just temporarily forgotten how to maintain that design. But now you have the blueprint to restore it. Every time you do these exercises, you're not just treating symptoms, you're actually reversing the structural changes that create the problem in the first place. Remember, consistency beats intensity every time. It's better to do these exercises for 2 minutes every day than to do them for an hour once a week. Your tissues respond to frequent, gentle stimulation much better than occasional intense sessions. Now I want you to do something for me. Save this video, because the day the pain comes back, you know where to find the solution. And then do me one last favor, share this. Share it with that friend who works at a computer, with your spouse who drives all day, with everyone you know who's always complaining about back pain. Spread this solution. The YouTube algorithm won't show you this again. Save it and share it. Your health deserves this. Your future self will thank you.